Audio CD 2, Track 16. Word focus. 1. Freeway. You can take the freeway to the city.
2. Hiss. The engine is hissing. It can't be good.
3. Paranoid. Mr. Lin thinks everyone wants his money. He is too paranoid.
4. Steam. I see steam coming from the teapot.
5. Pull over. My car had a flat tire, so I pulled over to the side of the road.
6. Shoulder. You can't drive in the shoulder of the road, Louis.
7. Spot. This is a great spot for a picnic.
8. Overheated. The engine became overheated when Tom was driving in the desert.
9. Cool down. This water will help you cool down.